Now, our next report delves into the exhilarating world of Indian fintech, where billionaires are created faster than anywhere else in the world. But there's a plot twist in this gripping tale of high stakes and ambition, as most of these unicorns struggle to turn profitable. Will their valuation burst like a bubble or aid the India growth story? Take a look at our next report to find out.
India's fintech industry is booming, with a combined valuation of over $68 billion and 22 unicorns. The industry is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 22% between 2022 and 2025. That's mostly driven by factors such as increasing smartphone penetration, rising internet adoption, and the growing need for financial services among the underserved population. The Indian government is also supporting the growth of the fintech industry by introducing a number of reforms, such as the introduction of the Unified Payments Interface, or UPI. UPI is a real-time payment system that allows users to transfer money between bank accounts instantly. It has been a major driver of growth in the fintech industry, and it is expected to continue to grow in the coming years. However, despite the growth of the fintech industry, many of the unicorns are still loss-making. This is due to a number of factors, including the high cost of marketing and promotion, the limited monetization opportunities in the sector, and the regulatory challenges that the industry faces. The high cost of marketing and promotion is necessary for fintech startups to compete in a crowded and competitive market. However, it also contributes to their losses. Another reason for the losses of many fintech unicorns is the limited monetization opportunities in the sector. Fintech startups typically generate revenue through fees, commissions, and interest income. However, these sources of revenue can be limited, especially in the early stages of a startup's growth. As a result, many fintech unicorns are operating on thin margins. Despite their losses, many fintech unicorns are still valued highly by investors. This is because investors believe that the long-term potential of the fintech industry is huge. The Indian fintech market is expected to grow to $1.5 trillion by 2025. And investors are betting that the leading unicorns will be able to capture a significant share of this growth. However, it is important to note that the fintech industry is still in its early stages of development. There are a number of challenges that the industry will need to overcome in order to achieve its full potential. These challenges include regulation, security, and data privacy. Regulation is a major challenge for the fintech industry in India. The government is still in the process of developing a regulatory framework for the industry, and this has led to uncertainty for many startups. Security is another major challenge for the fintech industry. Fintech startups handle sensitive financial data, and they need to take steps to protect this data from cyber attacks. Data privacy is also a major concern for consumers in India. Many consumers are wary of sharing their personal data with fintech startups, and this can limit the growth of the industry. Despite these challenges, the Indian fintech industry is poised for growth. With a large and growing population, a young and tech-savvy workforce, and a supportive government, India is well positioned to become a global leader in fintech. Bureau Report, WION World is One.